Hello everyone, in front of me is Lenovo Tab M11 and let me show you how to check total screen time. First of all, open the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and here you will be able to see some general statistics. If you tap on it again, you can gain a bit more knowledge. You can go back and in time to see all days of usage. Actually, I do use it since yesterday, so there's no more history. Then you can also check screen time, notifications received, or times opened. Here you will be able to see all details. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.